Hey everyone! Ever wondered how you can create professional YouTube videos with zero camera time and just 2 tools? Well, today I'm going to show you how I do it using ChatGPT for script writing and Pictory for video creation. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, advanced editing skills, or a huge budget. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why ChatGPT and Pictory? So, why ChatGPT and Pictory? Well, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate detailed, SEO-optimized scripts on just about any topic. It's perfect for YouTube because it helps me write videos quickly, and the best part is, you don't need to be a professional writer to use it. Then, once I have the script, I use Pictory. Pictory takes that script and turns it into a fully edited video with stock footage, AI voiceovers, and visuals, all with just a few clicks. Section 2. Step-by-step process. Now, let me show you exactly how I use these tools to create a video. First, I generate my script with ChatGPT. Here's how it works. I give ChatGPT a prompt like, create a script about AI-driven content creation for beginners. It generates a full script, broken down into sections with a clear intro, body, and conclusion. Once I have my script, I move on to Pictory. I copy the script and paste it into Pictory's platform. Then, Pictory analyzes the text and automatically selects relevant stock footage and adds a professional AI voiceover. Once it's done, the video is ready. I just review it, and if I want to tweak the visuals or add a personal touch, Pictory lets me adjust everything easily. Section 3. Benefits of using just 2 tools. Now, let's talk about why using just 2 tools is such a game changer. First, it's super simple. I don't have to juggle multiple platforms or deal with complicated editing software. Everything is streamlined and works together seamlessly. Second, time saving is a huge benefit. With ChatGPT, I can write a full script in under 5 minutes, and Pictory takes care of the video editing for me. What would normally take hours, now takes me just an hour or 2. Third, it's cost-effective. You don't need a high-end camera or expensive editing software. All you need are these 2 tools, and you can create professional videos on a budget. And finally, scalability. Once you have the process set up, you can pump out videos consistently. Conclusion. So, there you have it, how to create YouTube videos with just 2 tools, ChatGPT for script writing and Pictory for video creation. It's fast, it's easy, and it's cost-effective. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, check out the links to ChatGPT and Pictory in the description below and get started with these tools today.